How to solve inability to follow or unfollow accounts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can solve if you're not being able to follow or unfollow accounts on Instagram, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you're not being able to follow because you have most likely reached the follow limit. If you're on Instagram, you've been following too many people, it means that you have reached the follow limit. So you'll have to unfollow someone on Instagram before you can follow a new account. Now basically, even if you haven't reached the limit of 7,500 followed accounts which Instagram offers, right, because you can only follow up to 7,500 people, there is still one more factor and one more limitation that you have to pay attention to, and that is that you cannot perform more than 60 actions per hour. Could be following or unfollowing, you cannot perform more than 60 in an hour. So if you're just trying to follow more people than 60 people in an hour, you will not be able to do so. So just keep that thing in mind. So this is the way to actually help you solve your problem. Now if you really want to follow someone, then what I'd recommend you do is you can just try to install a VPN and try to switch your account and then see if that solves your problem. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.